Converting measures. To converting measure, we're going to follow two rules. The first rule is when you convert from larger unit to a smaller unit, you're going to multiply. Yeah? When you convert smaller unit to larger unit, you're going to divide. So, to convert a measure, it's necessary that you memorize the list of the measures for liquid measure, linear measure, time measure, weight. Okay, all this measure is necessary that you memorize. If you don't memorize, you can use in your book. In some pages of your book, you're looking for the numbers, and you can solve. So first, we're going to convert 5 jars to feet. And this exercise, remember, when you convert measure, you use 3 steps to convert. The first step is decide what of the 2 rules you're going to use. You have jars to feet. You have to remember, okay, which is greater, jars or feet? If you remember, jars is larger and feet is smaller. So you're going to convert larger to smaller. Larger to smaller. To convert larger to smaller, you have to multiply. That's the first step. Multiply, because jars is larger than feet. Okay? Second step, you have to remember, in 1 jar, only in 1 jar, not the 5 jars, in 1 jar, how many feet you have? In 1 jar, how many feet? If you remember, or if you can check your book, so you get 3. This number 3 because 1 jar is 3 feet. So when you get the number, the second step, and we have the first number, that 5, you have to multiply because we are the larger to smaller. So we're going to multiply 5 times 3. And what is the answer? 15. So 5 jars is equal 15 feet. Okay? So we're going to convert 48 inches to feet. Remember, we're going to use the 3 steps again. Yeah? First, you have to decide, okay, inches to feet. Which is greater? If you compare inch to feet, if you decide, okay, feet is greater than inches. So we have the second rules. Smaller unit because it's inches to larger unit because it's feet. So what is the process? Divide. That's the first step. So the second step, you have to remember, okay, inches to feet. In 1 foot, how many inches you have in 1 foot? If you remember, or if you checking in your book, so you find 12. 12 because in 1 foot you have 12 inches. What is the last step? Remember, divide, not multiply, divide. 48 divided by 12. If you divide 48 divided by 12, if you remember the table of number 12, you find there is 4. That means that 48 inches is equal 4 feet.